kids all laugh and cheer. Learning ABC, playing here. Writing colors, counting too. She is patient, bright and true. From the morning to the night, she gives pure delight. One small camera, one sweet story. Tiny worlds are filled with glory. Bloomy auntie, kind at heart and oh so pretty. Bloomy auntie, little teacher full of glory. Bloomy auntie, making vlogs and sharing dreams. Bloomy auntie, purple girl with shining gleam.
Hello my little blossom. So today I will bring you guys to explore the nature. Let's go. Alright, what is nature?
What?
So, nature is everything all around us. Nature is not made by people. For example, tree. Tree is a nature. It's so hot today. It's a sunny day. Sun is a nature. What else is a nature? Flowers. Flowers is a nature. It's so cloudy today. It is a nature. Yes, cloud is a nature. Rock. Rock is a nature. Why? It is because rock is not made by people. Do you hear bird chirping? Yes, that means it is a nature. Did you learn something, little blossom? So, nature is a thing that we need to take care in the future. See you in the next lesson. Bye!